Hi everybody, I am Miss Dwyer. If you're receiving this video, it means you have a student in either my wellness class or my individual fitness class. I'm teaching both this quarter. So this is my first year teaching. This is not my first year or first time at Eastview. I am the head softball coach here, so this is my third year doing that. And I did student teach here in the spring. So I got a few weeks under my belt before we went to distance learning. So I have done both, so we should be good to go there as far as experience goes. I graduated from the University of Minnesota. I played softball there as well, and then I just received my master's this summer in physical education in health. So super excited to be here. First week has been awesome. Couldn't be more excited to be at Eastview, so just glad to be here. As far as the health and safety thing goes, I think after week one, the kids have done an awesome job as far as staying apart from one another, wearing their masks, using hand sanitizer, sitting apart from one another in the classroom. Super proud of them. I think they've done a great job as far as that goes. Accessing our Schoology page, I sent out a video to you all on orientation week about how to access it. If you got added to the class late or you didn't see it, please reach out and I will send it to you. Pretty much it's going to be the same for all my classes, trying to keep it as simple as possible. Once your student accesses Schoology, they'll just go to our materials and our week folders will be in there. So for this week, it was week 1. Next week, it will be week 2, week 3, and so on. So I'll have the dates on there, and I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for all of them and finding all their materials. So for whatever they will need that day, will be right there in that folder. As far as reaching out to me and communication, I know this is new for everybody, so I'll try to be as open and available as possible. I'm just going to tell you right now, my bedtime is normally 9 o'clock. So if it's an email after then, it probably won't be till the next day. But I try to check them all and respond within the next day, if not 2 days for sure. So please ask questions if you have them. The more questions you ask, the more clear I can be with everybody else. So whichever areas you guys are confused in, please let me know. Otherwise, please let me know if there's anything I can do to make it easier for you or anything of that nature. Super excited to be here. Again, it's been an awesome first week. So here we go.